Should I open a present first?
Huh?
Should I open a present first?
Sure, if you want to.
It's not gonna pop out in my face, is it?
What are you doing, Maddie?
I want to see it.
It's wrapped up. Look what just you gotta see what you're grabbing.
Brown. It's like an iPod or something. It's big. Just go on like phone. Awesome. It's supposed to be on, isn't it?
So what do you think?
Oh. You were calling me.
Yeah.
I didn't notice this at first. That's awesome, but I like it.
So what you thought it was gonna be?
No.
What'd you think it was gonna be?
I don't know. Well, the box and like noise, like iPod, MP3, touchscreen.
You didn't think it was gonna be a cell phone at all?
No. Oh. No, I didn't see that at all.
Well, happy 12th birthday, sweetheart.
Thank you. Awesome.
Don't abuse the privilege of having the phone. We love you.
Love you too.